buildings. So unlike SDRB, that Nathalie van der Burg just described to you, our society is a supervision organization which organizes social housing to be rented within the Brussels region. It's a para-regional body that has its own board. Its specificity is that it was lagging behind for a while in terms of the regional development from 2004 to 2009. It was lagging behind, but at the same time, some of its members were at the forefront. So, and you have seen one of these projects, by the way, that showed the first building of zero-energy buildings in Brussels, that on top of this was a social housing building. So from 2004 to 2009, in terms of energy, there was a big step under the Ministry of Van der Broek. And then in 2009, management contracts were signed between the Brussels government and those bodies in charge of social housing in Brussels. So including our society SLRB. So to give you some background on the Brussels market, SLRB is funding societies of social housing. We have 33 different associations in Brussels. And from 2010 to 2014, the funding is of 206 million euros. And this is an operator that also produces housing for its own societies, but manages the building programs itself. It's called the Regional Housing Plan that aims at building 5,000 extra housing buildings in Brussels, and that's a commitment of 540 million euros. So my colleague, Sebastian Marino from SLRB, is in charge of the technical and energy department of this society. So assessing the quality in terms of technique, but also now in terms of energy. And he will show you how the ambitions of the government translated on the field within our administration in order to attain this exemplar environmental quality.